Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating versions and preparing files. This matters because protocol differences break compatibility. Once done, drop Geyser and Floodgate into your server's plugins or mods directory so the proxy can translate traffic. Make sure to open Java and Bedrock ports on the host and router. 25,565 TCP for Java and 19,132 UDP for Bedrock, since clients need direct reachability. Also backup server files now. Misconfiguration can corrupt plugins, and you'll want a restore point. Next, you open Geyser. IML and set the remote address to the Java server host, often localhost, and the remote port to your Java server port so Geyser forwards traffic correctly. Then configure Floodgate, generate and place the key pair, choose authentication mode, Floodgate for offline Java, and set the Bedrock listener port. Once done, tune server. Properties. Allow flight and view distance may affect performance. Make sure online mode is false only when Floodgate handles auth, otherwise keep it true. To finish, restart the Java server and proxy, then have a Bedrock client connect to your public IP and Bedrock port. You should appear on the Java server. If it fails, inspect server and Geyser logs for handshake or translation errors, which often reveal a version mismatch or plugin conflict. Make sure firewall and NAT forwarding are correct, Floodgate key pair exists, and protocol versions align. If problems persist, temporarily simplify setup. Disable non-essential plugins to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.